Anyway, guys, birds are quite important when it comes to alerting you of cyclones and thunderstorms. Yesterday it was 5:30 and the birds had not gone to sleep. And I'm talking about the cockatoos, the finches, the honey eaters, the crows, the magpies, you name it. They were all flying in circles here at Daisy Hill, around and around and around. So I came out to see what was going on. Now, I hadn't checked the weather, but the birds were actually alerting everyone that the storm was coming. And they were going in circles and circles.